What's up guys, E46 Fix here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your broken cigarette lighter, or if you use it for other purposes such as attempting to charge your phone. We'll see if we can't get that fixed as well. Now this is one of my, as usual, first try videos, so it may work, it may not. Now what you're going to want to do is go to your glove box. Open up your glove box. You want to get some of these if you don't already have some. Now occasionally, I have seen some videos where they say BMW gives you spares, just depending on, things you use, etc. But from my experience, at least on this particular model, it didn't seem like it gave me any spares. So there's going to be two tabs located up here. Maybe if you look straight up, you could think of them as being on the roof of your glove box. There's going to be two of them. You're just going to turn them, as you can see there. You have that one. Now this one's already unlocked, I think. Let's try turning this one. Yep. And so once that whole fuse box comes down, if you look here, you've got your little slip of paper, and you can actually pull this out. And this is very helpful, because this is going to show you everything you need to know about which fuse is what. And this one's 47 last time I checked for the lighter fuse. Yep. And then you just want to look at that fuse, you want to hunt it down. And of course, on here, if you look, like I said, they should have spares somewhere on here. I didn't see any, but I guess the idea is that you could find a 20, which it looks like there is one up here. And let's see what number this is right here. 54. Let's take a look and see what 54 is. Fuel pump. Ooh, yeah, we're gonna leave that. Yeah, we're gonna leave that there. So 47, let's take a look. So you have it down 47, which I think is right around here. Yep, 47's right there.